Hello guys, I just threw a shirt on to make this video. It is like, I live in Italy, so right now it is 6 in the morning. I went on a vacation to Italy. I don't live there. I just went on a vacation to Italy. And this is my night shirt. If I reach 17 subs, I will show what I'm gonna wear for school, and I will take a video while I'm at school. Now, I'm giving a shout out to Jacksepticeye, PewDiePie, Markiplier, and Infinite Lists. Oh, and Cyanide Happiness. If you don't subscribe to them, you're missing out on a lot of cool stuff. Anyways, y'all guys want to know where I got the picture from? Well, I received a letter in the mail from YouTube, so this is what it had on it. It says Knoble, because I started my YouTube channel as Knoble, and I didn't know what to start off with. So, I just took a picture, put it on my YouTube channel. Now it's just cool. Sorry that all my YouTube videos are talking and all that stuff, like just talking videos. Don't worry, we will get to Call of Duty and all that stuff. I just have to buy, like, some stuff. Hello, guys! My name is Knoble, or Knoble. You know the way you like to say it. Subscribe, you little. Bye-bye. Anyways, give y'all a little preview of what I'm gonna wear for school about like next week. This is what I'm gonna wear. Give me a sec. If y'all are wondering what those clicking noises was, it's my fan. Oh, next week we will be going over to Justin's. 2 YouTubers will be hanging out. That's me and Justin. MLG360 no scope. Yep. This is what I'm gonna wear for school. I don't know. This might be what I want to wear for school. Here's the first one. That's the first thing. I probably don't want to wear it. I got better shirts. And no, I'm not poor, all y'all asking. See, I got butt tons of clothes. And if y'all are asking, yes, I do have deodorant. It's so sniffalicious. That's actually the name of it. Nah, it's not. It is Axe. Anyways, here's what I want to wear for school. This, and let me go get it out of the laundry room. Hey, you bitch. Beep, beep, beep. Hey, yo, Twitch. Why are you so twitching so much? Crap. My shirt is gone. Could this be it? Oh yeah, Miss Lanchek, if you're watching this, I can wear normal shirts now, so look. It's from the butterfly thing. There was no reason for you to pin this to my shirt. No reason. because that was painful. It was cold. And there's my sister trying to scare me again. She closes the door before... She's like a vampire. She doesn't want nobody on camera. Here she is. She's fixing to erase my video. She's a vampire. Admit it! You're a vampire! Yes, you are! Yes, you are. That's my sister's room. That's my sister's room. She has a really dirty room. Really dirty room. I'm retarded. I did want to start off my YouTube channel named Retarded. The Retarded channel, but seeing as that would be kind of stupid, I wouldn't get any subs. Anyways, I'm going to end this video right here, but I have a couple more shout outs to give. The YouTuber Justin that I'm going to hang out with in the next 2 days. He will just subscribe to 360 No Scope #substubbytits. I don't even know what that even means. Hey, it's just my friend's YouTube channel. I don't want to judge. So, second, Jacksepticeye. Third, yes, this is my index finger. So don't get any ideas. Second idea. Markiplier. PewDiePie. And no, he is not a freaking Nazi. All he did was try to get subs, and it was a terrible idea to dress up as a Nazi. But do not unsubscribe. Believe whatever you want. He is a Nazi. If that's what you want to hear, please do not unsubscribe. Anyways, I don't know how to do live things. I don't know how to do anything live. So, that's the downfall. Anyways, where are you going, camera? Come back here. The guy who films this, he's just, look, he doesn't film correctly. You're actually filming correctly right now? Okay. I'm sorry we can't record at 14 FPS. I'm getting a camera. No, this is not a widow beard, it's just stuff. Not stuff, it's literally, my sister decided to mark my face up while I was sleeping. Of Sharpie. That's why it looks like I have an overnight beard. Anyways, it actually works. It's a computer. I'm meaning to get a new computer. The more subs I get, and if I get hired by YouTube, the greater it will be. But YouTube do not hire me yet. I'm still working things out. Hire me, next year or the next year after that. Because I will be doing YouTube videos for a very long time. Now, there's an actually adult filming me. I am 12 years old. There's an adult filming me. So, it has its ups and downs. Anyways, Oh, but I am fixing to turn 13. So YouTube, you still can't hire me if you want. But I suggest like a year from now. But I'm good if y'all hire me or not. I'm good. You gotta try these chips, man. No, you don't. They're a load of bullcrap. Irishness. Then we got the knockoff Fruit Loops. They're not good. I told my parents to buy real Fruit Loops. And then we got a knockoff Pop-Tarts. They're stupid. I hate those Pop-Tarts. Yeah. Anyways, I've been recording for 11 minutes straight. I'm gonna end this video right here. Bye bye.